So I want to have these done by 8:30. We eat. Talk right, Tony. Talk right. Alright, Tony Ronys, I am back. Just got in the house. It is so hot outside. It's not even funny, man. It's like, as soon as you step out the door, it's like you stepping into an oven. It's so hot. Be safe, guys. Drink some water. I'm drinking Gatorade, but this is good enough. Alright, guys. I got my beef spare ribs here. Beef. I got my beef spare ribs here. These are the good ones too, man. Look at all that meat. Look at all that meat. Got some good fat on it. Look at all that meat though. Alright, this is the seasonings I'll be using. And you also want to have you a pan. Because it is this, what time is it? It's about 4:15. It's about 4:50. It's about 4:50. That's about always 10 minutes fast. The clock. It's always 10 minutes fast. I don't know why, but it's just always 10 minutes fast. But I want to have these bad boys on for a good 2-3 hours before they get done. Okay. So I want to have these done by 8:30. We eat. Talk right, Tony. Talk right. We eat late every night. We don't eat, some people eat around 5, 6 o'clock. We eat at 7:30, 8:30 o'clock at night. No lie, we don't eat early. I'm gonna tell you that right now. We eat 8:30, 9 o'clock every day. I don't know why, it's just how we always been. We always did. I don't know why. But alright guys, I'm gonna take these out so I can get them washed and seasoned. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I'm finally got done cleaning the meat, but I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it was going to be a lot more meat than what it was. Like some pieces, some pieces were like really small with no meat at all, barely. Let me show you just for example, like this one. Where's the meat, bruh?
Got him! Got him!
No meat. That's one example. Let me show you one more. Like this one. That's like a couple of nibbles. So I probably wind up, I wish all of them was like this one. Look at all that meat. Look at that. Let me go ahead, I'm season this up now. So, set y'all up. Alright guys, I'm gonna add some water to that. You want to add a little bit of let me think. Yeah, you want to add some water, but you don't want to add a lot of water, okay? So, my battery is dying. Of course it is. Alright guys, my battery dying. Let me go get my charger and charge y'all up before I be recording and look like a dummy and my phone died. That'd be my luck.
A few moments later.
Alright, I got the charger in just in time. My phone was literally on 2%. I'd have been mad as heck. I'm sitting here talking to y'all and my phone was dead the whole time. Oh, that'll be my luck. That'll be my day. Alright guys, we're gonna add this water, man. Okay, got the water. Try to put it in the middle. Let's see what we're working with. Add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I'm gonna dump all this juice out, and I'm gonna add the barbecue sauce. All right, so we got that done. Get that in the water. Let me see, make sure So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the aluminum foil and we're gonna wrap this bad boy up. Let's wrap it up. Let me turn it on. Oh, before I forget, guys, I'm gonna add the onion and herb. The last one I had was closed; it wasn't open yet. So we're gonna add this one now. All right. Now we're gonna wrap the bad boy up. Let me set y'all down. All right. Alright, that's nice and wrapped. Alright guys, that's done and wrapped. So we're going to go ahead and throw it in the oven. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Hold on. Gonna need 2 hands, baby. Alright, we're gonna put that in the center rack, and we're gonna put the stove on for about say about 3:55. Yeah, about 3:55. What time is it? I got no clock nowhere. Yeah, about 3:55 for about 2 hours, and it's gonna come out so good, bro. All right, guys. I'm about to play my PlayStation 5 for a while, so I'll be back.
2 hours later.
All right, guys. The spare ribs been cooking for about 3 hours now. 3 hours. When did I put that on? I put that on at like 5. I put it on before 5 o'clock, so it's been cooking for a good minute. So now I'm just going to take them out, and I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to cook this rice for the side dish. It's that good rice. Trying to tell y'all that's that good rye. Alright, let me take this out. A little bit of water. Alright guys, we're going to put them back in the oven uncovered for about 15 minutes. Okay. Alright guys, the rice is done. You got to fry it for about 7 minutes on medium heat. So it's been about 7 minutes. Let me show y'all. Yeah, this is done. You don't want to overcook it. Alright, so now we gotta spare ribs should be done. Like I said, you gotta put them in the oven uncovered for about 5 or 10 minutes. That's what they're looking like. And they smell so good, guys. Oh my god. They smell so good. Let me take this off the burner. Take this off the burner. Looking good, boy. Let me tell y'all how tender my spare ribs be. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that meat. Look at that. Come right off. Who y'all talking about? Alright guys. Okay. Alright guys. Alright, it's a little hot. I'm always hot when I'm cooking food. Alright guys, here go the end result. Oh, I got y'all all the way up here. Alright guys, here go the end result. Here go the dinner. Got the rice. And you got the spare ribs. There we go. Oh, that's good. Alright guys, I know I'm hot. I know I'm sweating everywhere. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit that like button. Leave me a comment on what you like to eat. What's your favorite dish? What do you like to cook? Let me know. Talk to your boy. I'll reply back, alright? So until next time, peace.